Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to draw a horizontal line in Photoshop with brush tool. Let's begin. Create a new layer. Select the brush tool. Right click on your mouse. Select the brush tool. Click for select your brush tool option. I select this on. Click. Press enter. Then hold shift. Click and select the color. Hold shift, click and drag it. Again, click, hold shift, click and drag it. Right click on your mouse, click this, hold shift, click and drag it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.